Now we do questions 33 to 36 and then we will go after list of headings. Because over here you are sure to get good marks for list of headings. You have to go through all the passage. So the importance of language. Now we got to see first where do they talk about importance of language, right? It'll start from the first paragraph probably. Okay, now let's read the question. The wheel, clue word is wheel. Can you find the word wheel in first paragraph? See that? First paragraph, word wheel. So without clue words, you will never reach the right part of the passage. Okay? Wheel is clue word. They cannot even change it. Wheel ki jagah kuch aur nahi aayega, wheel hi aayega. Okay? Now we read the question. Wheel is one invention that has had a major impact on dash. Wheel has impact on dash. Now let's come back. I'm reading it from here. Okay. Of all mankind's manifold creation, language must take pride of place. Other inventions, the wheel, agriculture, sliced bread, may have transformed our material existence. Now find the word for material existence. Material is already mentioned. Okay, for wheel, they added wheel, agriculture, sliced bread, may have transformed our material existence. So, question is, wheel is one invention. One invention means other inventions are agriculture, sliced bread, that has had a major impact on option E, material. And for material, they use the word material existence. So, E is going to be used here. All good? Material existence. और other inventions की जगह पे word आ गया agriculture, sliced bread and all that. Now we read on. It's the same sentence that continues. Aspects of life, but no impact has been as dash as that of a language. As dash means there's going to be some comparative. As great, as wonderful as, something like that. So please come back to same paragraph. Third line. Compared to language, all other inventions pale in significance, since everything we have ever achieved depends on language. Now find something. Everything we achieve depends on language means language is fundamental. When everything depends on language, that means language is fundamental. So which option is that? Option G. For question number 34, G is the right answer. Clear? Why G? They use the word depend on language. So depend on means that is fundamental. Everything we do, for example, if I say everything we do depends on water, what does that mean? Water is fundamental. Yeah. Fundamental means bunyadi. Okay, let's go on. Language is very dash. Question number 35. Yet composed of just a small number of sounds. Look here. Language consists of small number of sounds, but it is very complex. But let's find it. Second paragraph. There they use the word sound. Sound is your clue word. Okay, I'm reading second paragraph. But language is foremost not just because it came first. In its own right, it is a tool of extraordinary sophistication, yet based on an idea of ingenious simplicity. This marvelous invention of composing out of 25 or 30 sounds, all the languages of the world, they have 25 to 30 sounds, that infinite variety of expressions which whilst having in themselves no likeness to what in our mind and all that. Expressions, they use the word infinite variety of expressions. That makes it complex. Infinite variety of expressions. So for this, option B, complex. They say language is very complex, yet composed of just a small number of sounds. For complex, they use the word infinite variety of expressions. 25 to 30 sounds And with these sounds, we've got infinite variety of expressions. Okay, let's go on. Now see, in summary completion, one sentence is separate. When one sentence is separate, the location is going to be different for that. Question number 36. Language appears to be dash to use, however, its sophistication is often overlooked. Please come to paragraph D. Language appears to be dash to use. Now dash to use. Okay, we find it there. Paragraph D. D for doctor. Second line. The language machine allows just about everybody from pre-modern foragers in the subtropical savanna to postmodern philosophers in the suburban sprawl to tie these meaningless sounds together into an infinite variety of subtle senses, and all apparently without the slightest exertion. Look here, without slightest exertion means something which is easy. Something which is easy. Now just focus without the slightest exertion and find a word for that. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, find a word without slightest exertion. It is F, means easy. For example, if I say, I have reached Royal Palm without the slightest exertion, it means I've reached here easily. So, for easy, they use the word without the slightest exertion. Okay? For 36, the right answer is F. 33, E, 34, G, 35, B, and 36, F.